the four walls of the land. Our lives have become mechanical. We have long forgotten our tribal identity to reach into a post-humanist civilization, depending majorly on the machines. Perhaps there is a need to return to the few surviving tribes living in the lap of nature, to start our journey to explore how nature works. Their lifestyle, religious beliefs may help us in manifold ways. The more we depend on nature, the more we earn benefits from her. From man against nature, we have to embody the philosophy of man as a part of nature. The tribes, in their living and beliefs, go by this motion. When the rest of the world is up to destroying nature, we have to embody. We have to teach us how to preserve her. The tribal theories on origin also preach the same rule of preservance.
mystics of the relationship between human and nature was first manifested in the lyrical epics of Kalidasa. In Europe,